Hi, I'm Nicole Hayford. I'm taking this flipped grid class, and today's assignment was for me to explain how to create a screencast that introduces myself. So I'm Nicole Hayford. I teach fifth grade in Minnesota. It's summer vacation and I'm loving it. What I did was I downloaded Screencast-O-Matic. I became a member. I'm doing their trial, the free part of it. If you want more, you have to pay for more of it. Then I am going to upload that to YouTube when I am done. It asks what you want to upload it to. And that's that.